Hello traders, again welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to trade on the basis of the candlestick analysis. So it's AUD I need to look at other pairs. It's Euro USD. Here the market is going up and okay here we can go to the buyers, but there is a level. So anyway, I'm going to place here a call option. Here next one should be bullish, but I need a good entry, otherwise it may be losing trade. Here we can go to the sellers. We can see some sellers entry. Okay, it should be bearish because the previous candle is very strong. Actually, there is a possibility for retracement there also. Here, I don't know why sellers entry. The strong candle in the middle of the trend. We don't know there is any level or not, but there is no proper level for bearish. But I don't know why this candle going down. Okay, finally it's closes bullish. It's a problem of Friday trading. There are some difference. Okay, it's a doji. Okay, it was also winning trade. Here the next candle should be bullish, I think, because we can see a strong bullish candle previously. Here we can see some sellers entry, but here the next candle we can see some buyers entry. If there is any proper rejection, then next one should be bearish, but there is no okay, it's rejecting. Okay, here next one we can go to the sellers after this. So I placed here a put option because of that strong rejection. This kind of pattern is it indicate the sellers want to enter in the market, and already we saw some sellers entry previously also. That's why I placed here a put option. Its whole area is sellers area. So the market is going up. I expect the present candle closes bullish because it is the next possible reversal, actual reversal area. Its whole area is the level. But it's a weak bullish. Here I am going to place a call option. I placed it here, but it's the candle open in the wick, I think. Okay. Now we can see the candle opening price is at the wick of that spinning top. So the candle opened exactly at the sellers area. So it's a risky trade, I think. It's rejecting. Now actually the buyer's node reached the sellers area, but we can see some sellers entry because the candle made a gap up open. The present candle opened in the wick of that bullish spinning top. That's why now we are seeing some sellers entry. It may be losing trade, I think, because of that gap up open. Okay, here no problem. I'm going to place here a call option. I placed here a call option because of that weak bearish candle. It indicates the buyers want to go more up. That's why I placed here a call option. It should be bullish, not bearish. That's sure. We can see some buyers are entering. It will go more up. But it's rejecting, I don't know why, but the candle should be bullish. Here I placed here a put option because of that two rejection indicate the sellers are interested in that area. That's why I placed a put option. Here I placed here a call option because of that candle in the middle of the trend. It's a continuation sign. Here I placed here a call option because of that new high, but it's my luck. Here I placed a put option because I know that the buyers are unable to make a candle there, but it was a doji. Because of my entry I got ITM here. It was also winning trade. Okay, in Friday the candlestick psychology is not working properly because in Friday and Monday there have some fluctuations in the market, so we need to apply something more while trading in the Friday and Monday. So here we can trade after the closing of the present candle. We can see some weak bearish, so okay, here we can go to the buyers. So I'm going to place a call option. I placed here a call option because after that two retracement candle I am seeing a bullish candle without upper rejection, means the buyers want to go more up. That's why I placed here a call option. Here it's a bearish momentum, but there is a level also, but I'm going to place here a put option. I got a good margin of safety, so that's why I placed here a put option. I think it will reject from that level. We can see a level. Okay, I'm seeing a new law, so we can here take here it is the next possible reversal. We can see some sellers entry from that level. Oh, it was my luck, just closed below my entry. It's only my luck. But I think the next one should be also bullish because now I'm seeing a strong candle, so it has the power to make another bullish candle. Here I think the next one should be bearish. We can wait for the closing of the present candle. We can see some strong sellers entry now. Here after that I am seeing a bullish candle, so here after this we can go to the buyers. Okay, I'm going to place a call option. I placed there a call option because after that bullish candle again I am seeing a bullish candle, means again we can go to the buyers. Here I'm going to place here a put option. Okay, I placed here a put option because of that previous strong candle. It has the power to make another bearish one. Here my entry was little bit late. If the market make any weak candle or doji, I may lose this trade also, but I expect the candle to close as bullish. Okay, we can see some buyers entry. Anyway, I will stop trading after this. Till now I placed 9 trades, but we can wait for these 2 trade result. Okay, both are winning trade. Anyway, I am going to close this section. I got 8 ITM and 1 OTM. Thanks for watching my video.